Alright guys, welcome to the Monday directions video. I feel like it's going to be a pretty simple day today for you guys. I know some of the stuff went wrong with the video. I apologize for that, especially fourth hour. That's my bad. Hand up. We'll kind of handle that today. But the assignment that everyone's working on today, guys, we're still focusing on the Old Kingdom, kind of the beginning of the Egyptian civilization or empire. Because remember we talked about we're going to look at the old, the middle, and the new. So we're still kind of focusing on the old. I know some of the engineering and empire video kind of goes ahead a little bit to kind of give us a little bit of a preview. So hopefully the notes make more sense. But I digress. Here's the assignment today, guys. It's just a reading guide. So I'll click on it right here. Just go through it. Read through it, guys. This will be a lot of the stuff was from our notes. A lot of the stuff will be things that we're going to look at maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. So just go through it. Gives you a good base, good information. And then obviously once we get down to the end here, you guys know the drill. Skip number 2 and skip number 9. Always do the terms, so make sure you have the terms on there. And then answer the questions, in a few sentences or so. And don't worry about this part down here. But that's pretty much the assignment today, guys. Answer the questions on a Google Doc or a piece of paper. Take a picture, turn it in some fashion, and you'll be able to get the points. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. And then tomorrow we're going to continue on with our notes. So I will see you guys then. Have a good day. I'll talk to you guys later.